This is a very popular question. Here are some of the careers you can expect when you have an Addictions and Community Health Professional diploma. Hi, I'm Christy from Sundance College, and we have a range of programs in health, business, and tech. At Sundance College, our mission is to support student success from the moment you decide to take control of your future to the day you start your new career. Let's dive into the career paths you can pursue after graduation. First up, you could become a support worker. You'll be there to help, care for, and support those who need it. If you want a more hands-on approach, you can opt to become a care worker. You'll help individuals of all ages emotionally, socially, and physically. You could become a women's shelter worker, providing safety, support, and resources to women and children facing domestic violence or other crises. If you choose to become an addictions treatment worker, you could help individuals struggling with substance abuse or addictions to overcome their dependencies and lead healthier lives. One of the many other career options for our ACHP graduates is to work in the correctional system, providing support, supervision, case planning, and programming for individuals. These are just a few of the opportunities that open up with a diploma in addictions and community health. So there you have it. If you're interested in this program or any others, visit our website for more info. Our admissions advisors are always there to help. Subscribe and hit the bell for more career insights. Comment down below what you want to see next, and see you next time.